2021. And here's our Skoolie. We've been living in it for a year, maybe a little more. And hooked up the diesel heater in there. Got the diesel heater going here. We'll show you back here. Look at this kitty. Precious. That's Precious, our kitty. She wants to get in the back. Anyway, she always wants to get in the back here. And here's the diesel heater in the Skoolie. See, I got it on a little box. Made a box. And there's the pump, pumping away. The tank. And that's been running a year, no problem. Not a single problem. Runs great. Yeah, so that's the diesel heater there. And now, we're out here in the desert in Arizona and converting this van. And I just hooked up the second diesel heater in there the same way. Very similar. And here's the underside. Now this one didn't come with a muffler, and I didn't put a muffler on it yet. And I have a 250 watt solar panel on there, and I put a roof vent up there. Anyway, yeah. So there's that diesel heater, mounted kind of the same way as the Skoolie. And it's running pretty good. The only weird thing is I put the fuel outlet up here instead of down the bottom where there's another option. So if the fuel gets below here, I'm gonna run out. I'll still have fuel left, diesel fuel, but it'll run out. I'm just gonna keep that way, not a big problem. I'm gonna always be able to fill it. And I have this paper here just in case it leaks, because I just set it up and there's no leak. There wasn't a beginning, but I replaced these deals here and it's all well right now. Heating it really good. And yeah, so it's about 34 degrees out here in the desert. And I got the Skoolie in the van. 2 diesel heaters running well. Over and out.